Well, I'm Jeff. Here's a garage. Those are seats for this. I'm gonna put the seats in it. I have to vacuum, right? But I'm gonna put the seats in it just to get them out of the way because I want to be able to get them engine mount. Put it there. I gotta get back seats in it because I want to be able to put the motors there. The motor that's for this car is over there, underneath all of this here. So I'm gonna get that seat in. I'll come back when I get it in. So a quick problem that I'm running into, right, is I know that there's a difference between the Cutlass floor and the Vista Cruiser floor, because one came with a full bench seat, the other one came with a split bench or bucket seats. There's no bolt hole there, nothing here. It bolted there, and that was it. This one, however, is supposed to have a perch here, a perch there, bolt hole there, bolt hole there. That one lines up. I can drill, not really though. I mean, I guess I could drill a hole and put a nut and a bolt through, but I don't know. I'm gonna get the other seat in and I'll figure out what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be real. Love the seats. I love cloth seats. Can't get enough of them. Leather is all right, but then it does that over time. So I love the cloth. However, I don't think these are gonna work at all unless I modify the fuck out of the floor, I guess. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna try and move some things around. See if I can maybe get some better bolt hole lineup placements or whatever the hell. Try that and come back maybe if I get that. God, this sucks. I really wish that it was just a direct bolt in, but I know it's because the Cutlass floor is different than the Vista Cruiser because full bench. But I really want these seats in this car, and they're a lot less moldy. And I can actually clean these without fearing tearing it all to pieces. So let me do that and I'll come back. I call it peanut butter interior. The brown dash, brown lower door cards, tan uppers, tan seats. Seats are in. Not really, though, because yeah, the completely different floor pans. I'm gonna have to make some mounts for these seats if I want. I want to use them and also move everything over this way about an inch because it's way too close to the pillar on that side. But the door cards look nice. Finally got the door together properly. And on that side, I just gotta do something back here with the back ones because it's brown top, green bottom for some reason. I don't know why. Anyway, oh yeah, same thing with the top. Swapped out. I gotta get that one, but that's all I'm doing for tonight. See you guys later.